Order partially filled. Order filled.
Está viendo Nvidia 350 puts.
I really wanted to be in at that 375 mark, but didn't get a chance there. Yeah. So I'm looking to play this 370 break to the downside on NVIDIA. Stop loss will be like a move into 373. Target, this could drop very quickly here. Yeah, I'm looking at the 350 puts, but the 370s, 360s, those are both fine. They have volume. Market's dropping right now. I just want to see what happens if the market bounces. Guys, I'm getting ready to play these. I have an alert set at 370.20. We could see like a three. I'm in these.
Partially filled.
Whoa!
Order filled.
Just broke right through. You saw that?
Yeah, I definitely got a bad fill on that one. I got 320.
Oh my god, look at it drop. Look at it drop. I caught that whole move, guys.
Yo.
Look at that. It broke.
Oh my god.
Nice, guys. Holy shit.
How
That
much
was
does contracts move?
a lot.
Order filled.
I'm up 15.
I'm about to get out right here, guys. Oh my god, $3 drop.
Let's
Oh
go.
my god.
Let's go.
Oh my $4 drop.
I smacked that, bro.
Let's go, bro.